Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I look a hot mess. It's okay, can you cut that off? Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Today is officially December 1st. So today starts Vlogmas. I know I'm looking a little hurt, but we are officially up. We're not up, but we're up. We're going to get ready to get out this bed, get dressed. We actually have a few things we have to do today. Me and the boys. The other one is down there somewhere. But as you can see, I need to clean. But first thing we're going to do today is take the boys to their swimming lessons. I'm going to bring you guys along for that. After swimming lessons, they're going to come home, probably do a little laundry, maybe put the Christmas tree together. So we got a few things planned for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, so I am officially up and out of the bed. I am walking into the living room right now. I normally get like Saturdays and Sundays off, which means that I have to squeeze all I can squeeze in on those 2 off days. I really don't like that because there's much I can be doing on those 2 days, like enjoying myself, pampering myself. I do want to go and get my feet done today, but I need to get my feet done. I need to get my hair done. Not only that, I need to clean up the house. I need to, I want to put up the Christmas tree. It's so much I want to do today. I'm hoping I get to do it all. Then my sister is supposed to come over so I can help her with her hair and help her plan my niece's birthday party. She wants to have like a pool slash hotel slash sleepover. So I got a lot on my agenda today. As you all know, today is December 1st, first day of Vlogmas. So let's go ahead and get this day started.
Yeah.
This one right here. Look at this one right here, y'all. Look at him. This is the dancer right here. You all, this one right here is something else. Just pray for me. But anyway, this is Zakai. Welcome to the vlog, Zakai. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
This is the dancer. How old are you, Zakai?
7.
He's 7. This is the dancer. This is the entertainer. This is the disobedient one. But he's 7. His birthday is in January. He'll be 8. See, look at him. But anyway, in the next year or two, I really want to move. I really want to get out. As you know, I live in Chicago. Well, not Chicago. I live in Illinois. But I'm looking to move. I want a change of scenery, just a change. So in the next year or so, I'm 33. I want to, by the time I'm 35, either have a home. I want to have a home for the boys and I, but I do not want my home in Illinois, if that makes sense. So I got a lot of thinking, a lot of things on my plate and on my mind, but you know, in God's timing, things are going to work out. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this day started. I'm going to bring you all along with me. Please enjoy. Please comment. Please subscribe, you all, because I plan on uploading a video every day of December until Christmas. Is anyone excited for Christmas? I'm excited. I just love the holiday spirit. Like, I just love it because, you know.
Can I vacuum?
Can I finish talking? Please. Anyway. I love the holiday, like around this time of the year. It's like so perfect. I love this. I don't like snow, but I mean, it looks beautiful outside when there's snow on the ground. But what I am going to do is try to vlog for you guys. So anyway, let's get the day started. I'm rambling. Let's get the day started. I'm going to make these boys help me clean because I'm not going to do it by myself. I have too much on my plate today. Like I said, I got to get my nails done, my hair done, got to clean this entire house. Like, it's too much to be squeezing. Then on top of that, I got to leave here at 1 o'clock to get them to swim lessons. Like, it's just too much. I never get to enjoy my off days to myself, to just be lazy and do nothing. I guess that's the price of being a mom. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this day started. All right, y'all. I am kind of dressed, not dressed, whatever you want to call it. I just got on my quick get out the door outfit, joggers and a shirt. I'm about to go take the boys to swim practice, record a little bit there. So see you guys there. So we have officially made it to the pool. So quick story before we get out. So the boys, their father works for a school and he's like the pool operator slash everything else. But they normally have like swim lessons on Saturdays, and because he is cool with everybody here, we actually get swim lessons for free. So thank you. I'm not gonna say any names, but thank you for the free swim lessons. The boys are actually doing really good. So if they don't mind, I'm gonna try to record when I go in there, so I can see you guys when we get inside. Are y'all ready to go? Okay, you ready? Look at me.
My thing hurts.
Look, let's go.
Let's do this.
Bad boy. Go. Go. Hey guys, this is Dad. So we're here. Dad had to come and go check on them, but there's a Marion, there's a Kai over there. They're actually doing really well, but he always had to come and be nosy. But this is pool. He always brags about how clean it is, and that he can actually do this as a side hustle, believe it or not, because he's actually pretty good at it. A lot of people think that pool and pool operator is just an easy job, but there's a lot of chemicals and math that goes into the whole equation of being a pool operator. Anything you want to say? No. Speak now, forever hold your peace. Anything you want to talk about pools?
A lot of work, people think they're simple, but
I just said that, didn't I, guys?
If you know your stuff, and if you're passionate about what you're doing, there's a lot more that goes to it.
Yep.
Anybody could be a pool operator, but
Not
it takes
anybody.
a lot to be the best.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, so like I was saying, it's more than just filling the pool up with water and putting chlorine in it when it comes to being a pool operator. But to get back on the subject, the boys, I don't know how long they've been in swimming lessons. How long they been in swimming for? I don't remember either. They've been in it for a while. They've actually passed level 1, so they're working on level 2, but they're doing really good. And we were just talking about, you know, they need to work on their breathing when they're swimming. But besides that, they got it down. So it's time for me and him to learn how to swim. He a pool operator, but he don't know how to swim.
I know how to swim.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, well maybe you can give me some.
I know how to swim.
Do you?
I won't drown. Put it like that.
Look.
Not like you.
Look, I will drown, and I'm scared. So I think that I need to learn. I need to take some lessons. So comment down below if you all think I should take lessons, or if I'm too old to take lessons. I'm 33, but I feel like if they all know, I should learn too. Fresh out the pool, Mari, get your towel. How do you feel you did today?
Good.
You did really good, actually. Zakai, let's see your face. Zakai,
Oh yeah, before we go, can I jump
see
in
your
the pool?
face. How you think you did today?
Before we leave? Good.
What?
Good.
Float.
You did a good job
I
today.
know how to do it.
Only gets better from here. Only get better from here. You may feel the way that I feel. Wanna know?
We're going back to the dollar store. We just got to pick up a few items. Get a cart.
I remember the place where.
always like carrying your bags. Such a gentleman. It's just gonna rain all day, I guess. I'm on my way to go pick up my sister. We're gonna get our feet done together. So I'm going to pick her up. My boyfriend just put new windshield wipers on my car. He went to go check them yesterday and broke one of them. They were horrible anyway. They were making like this loud noise, screeching noise. Even though I just got this car. It's a used car, but I just got it. But he just put on brand new windshield wipers on. They feel so good. And the idiot that had the car before me decided to put on too small. The sizes was not right. Here he is calling me now. So, as I was trying to say before, is that just got home from bringing the kids to swim practice. Now I am on my way. Look, this scarf is really finna piss me off. So anyway, just got done from swim practice for the boys. They are actually on their way to get haircuts. Dad is taking them to going to get their haircut. So while they're going to get haircuts, I'm going to the nail shop so I can get my feet done. My sister is coming. My twin sister is coming with me. She's actually on her way out the door any minute now. Like I was saying, I just got this vehicle. I have a Honda CRV. I had a Honda Civic, but I just traded my car in about a month ago. Well, about almost 2 months ago, I traded my car in. I'm lying. I traded it in on October 23rd. But anyway, I traded it in. For the most part, everything was okay. But, you know, now that it's raining like all the time now and snowing, I need windshield wipers. And the person that had the vehicle before me put the wrong size blades on. So my boyfriend was checking them out yesterday and happened to break one of them. So he actually went to the store and purchased me some new ones. And the window is looking so clear. Like, it pays to have a handy boyfriend. Like, look at my sister, y'all. Look at her. Taking forever. She look like a little homeless person. Look at her now.
Idiot.
Would you put that purse there?
No!
Why?
Do not record me. I'm not gonna play with you. You idiot.
She don't want to be on camera, y'all. Look at her.
Stop! Damn, dummy, I'm trying to deep condition at the same time. Stop!
If I could look like this, she could look like that.
Get off. Oh my God.
Can you put your seatbelt on?
I got my seatbelt on. Let's go.
Anyway, we're on our way to the nail shop. See y'all inside the shop. All right, on our way. This is the nail shop we're going to. Look at my sister looking like a grandma, y'all. Anyway, this nail shop we're going to. Gonna go in here and get our feet done. I don't know what color I'm gonna choose. They going in socks anyway, but. Got like a little shimmer. Yes, it's fine. This one is pretty. This was the first one I picked up. I like that one. Y'all, I am back from getting my feet done. That was something that was well overdue. I think I got my feet done like a month ago. So I'm trying to like actually include that in a routine of mine to where I go and pamper myself, whether it's feet, nails, facial, massage, something of that sort. So I'm glad I went and got that done. But this is how they turned out. This is the color that I chose. Don't come at my feet, but this is the color that I chose. And I'm actually in the bathroom right now because I am about to wash this disgusting hair of mine. That is actually part of a weekly routine of mine as well. I wash my hair at least once a week, whether it's co-washing or shampooing, but that's what I'm about to do. Oh, you know when you take that ponytail holder out, it just feels so good, y'all. Look at this mess, like gel and stuff all caked up. But I'm about to wash this. I've been wearing my hair in a wash and go. I've been doing it every week, but I've been wearing it in a wash and go consistently for like the last 3 or 4 weeks. I'm trying to debate, do I want to put it back in a wash and go because it's simple, I could throw on a hat, or I don't know what else I would want to do with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start washing this dirty hair of mine before the kids come back home from getting their haircuts. I did ask Dad to record. We'll see if he came through or not. But if not, we're gonna jump right into getting my hair washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. Stay tuned.
No,
Show the camera y'all new haircuts. Turn around.
I just got out.
Ooh,
Hey,
let me
I just
see.
got out the shower, so don't.
Fresh and show clean. Turn
I
around to
just-
the side. Let us see the back. Give us a 360. Okay.
Ow!
So I'm finna do my sister washing though. She don't want to be on camera. I won't put her on camera. Here she go. These are the products we using. Some Eco Styling gel. This
Hello?
right here bomb. Excuse me. This
Hello?
right here is bomb.
Hello? Am I invisible? I guess I'm a ghost.
This is how the washer go is looking. It's got to dry. Look at them curls. It's the fine. I could be a beautician, y'all.
Another delay.
Now it's time to do mask. Alright guys, so I have officially finished my hair. Today has been a long day. It has finally come to an end. I'm actually about to go make me something to eat, drink me some wine, and watch myself a movie, and wake up in the morning and go to church. So, I'll see you guys on tomorrow. That ends today's vlog. See you all on tomorrow. Bye.